Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this afro puff wig using donuts, and I'm going to show you step by step. And after you secure your afro puff well, you can shake your head, walk on street with powerful wind, and your afro puff is still there, so don't worry. If it's your first time you're watching my video, thank you so much. You are welcome. Feel at home. Please, before you leave, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video thumbs up. So by starting, I use this donut and I secure it well over here. If you don't have this head, you can put your donut on the floor. Make sure you hold it well using your feet. The hair I'll be using in this video is this Mzuka. I got it from Tanzania, Africa, but you can use any kind of curly hair. That's the best for this tutorial. In this pack have two bundles, one back and one front, and I only use one bundle. So I take one piece and I cut into two. In the first round, each one piece I separate into four. Means I cut into two equal parts, and each piece I separate one time. Then I start to crochet. Here I show two methods. The first method, you may decide to tie twice, and another method is only tie one time. I find after I tie one time, it's also secured very well, so I decide to go out with this method to tie only one time. Just take your crochet needle, pull the hair out, and then secure well. Make sure the hair is secured enough, because you don't want to go out then you find you start losing hair outside. So make sure you pull your hair well, the hair is well secured, and then go to the next section. In this first round, I crochet very close to each other, because this first round is the round that's gonna be front, so I want this round to be very full, so I crochet very close to each other. But if you don't want your afro puff to be very full, you may crochet a little far, because this hair have texture like natural hair, so you may decide to crochet a little far. But for me, I want this afro puff to be like really full, so I crochet very close. In this first round, each one piece I divide into four parts. It means each one piece I cut into two equal parts, and then each piece I split once, and then I crochet. This is because I want this wig to be very full. Another thing, before you crochet the section you hold on your hand, make sure the hair they are even, to avoid losing too much hair when you're trimming or to crochet and then you find one side is very short and another side is very long. And the second round, each one piece I split into 6 equal parts. It means I cut into 2 equal parts, and then each piece I separate into 3 pieces. And the second round, the distance I crochet from one crochet to another is a little far compared with the first round I crochet. And this is how this wig go. And the third round, the same, it's gonna be more little far. And the third round, each one piece I cut into 2, and then I divide into 6 up to 8 equal parts, and then I crochet a little far from each other. Not like all rounds I crochet very close from one crochet to another, but only the first round and the last round, and I'm going to show you guys, so keep watching. This round here I'm going to crochet more hair because this is almost end and I want to cover this hole completely, but I'm not going to crochet in. I only crochet out because in keeps some space. Also, when you put on this donut, you must put your natural hair in the middle, so like don't crochet like too much in the middle. You must make sure you keep that space. So here I'm done with crochet, and now I pull this hair out to stretch this hair and to make this wig like really full because this is natural hair. So here I want trim, but before I trim I make sure I pull it well so that I can know where should I trim more and where should I trim less. And after I finish pull the hair, you can see how full your afro puff is. In trimming point, trim fewer. If you feel like the wig is too big, continue trimming, but not one time trim very big amount or trim a lot of hair, then finally you find like the wig is too small. So be careful, trim slowly and trim very few hair so that you can get good afro puff. So guys, take your time, and every time after I finish trim, make sure you shake your afro puff well so that you can remove those unnecessary hair stuck in when you are trimming, and you can make your afro puff clean even after you put on, no any excess hair falling down on your t-shirts. And guys, this is how my afro puff looks like. So let me go ahead and put it on and you can see how it is. This is our wig. My natural hair is going to be in this middle point, and I also use bobby pin to secure this donut to make sure like you are not going to fall apart. No matter what, you'll remain there. Here I only secure with only 3 bobby pin, and then I pull a little out. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy and you get something new. If yes, kindly subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to share with other ladies you wish they know how to make this afro puff so that they can save their money. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.